Hi there everyone, welcome to the ukestuff channel. Today I have another unboxing for you. I always make that super clear because there are some people that really hate unboxing videos, and if that's you, skip ahead to another video on this channel. However, to everybody else that wants to watch them, this is an opportunity for me to share, give you a sneak peek of what will be coming up in the near future for a full review. So, a little bit of backstory on this one. I follow Rich Davis, and Rich has a really good pulse on inexpensive ukuleles and when they go on sale. And if it's an ukulele that I haven't bought or I haven't reviewed and it's inexpensive, one of the things I do here is review ukuleles, so I'm always looking for material. So this happened to be a soprano version of another instrument that I've already reviewed, the concert version of. Now, for example, I know God and Ukulele, Barry Maz, tries to stay away from reviewing different ukuleles in the same line of a product because there are so many ukuleles that are out there. But to be quite honest with you, I will review anything that I can review. Now, that's not just because I like inexpensive ukuleles, but I am a music educator and I like to be able to recommend inexpensive ukuleles to my students to get them going and get them playing if they want to play. They don't need to start on a $1,200 or a $500 instrument to have a good playing experience. So let's take a look at what's in the box here. So I've got my trusty Swiss Army knife. I'm not sure which model it is. I've had it for quite a few years as I am an Eagle Scout, and I think it went on with me with a couple trips to the Philmont Scout Ranch in New Mexico, both in my high school and early college years. So here we go. Opening it up. No extra padding from Amazon, so it's just loose in there. And here it is. All right, Vangoa. We've seen a couple Vangoa products here. I've reviewed some Vangoa pianos, and I've reviewed the concert ukulele. If you're interested in seeing what the concert is like, I have both the unboxing and also the full uke guide review. And in fact, with the previous Vangoa, at the time I was getting a number of ukuleles on a rapid sort of rate from a number of companies to review, and I had forgotten where it was coming from. It didn't actually come from Vangoa directly. It came from another company that refers people to Amazon and their products. So with that in mind, this one comes directly from Amazon, directly from Vangoa. And again, I purchased this. This was not sent to me for review purposes. So with that, we're going to open it up. Oh, how good of a deal was it? Well, we can talk about that really quickly. This instrument was marked down to $39.99 if you had Amazon Prime, and then there was a $10 instant coupon. So that made it $29.99, and then with taxes it was less than $32. So less than $32 for an ukulele with the whole kit. So let's take a look in here and see what we all get. Here's a packet of goodies. So I'll put the ukulele to the side and let you see what's all in the kit here. So $32. You get a tuner. Pretty standard little tuner. You get a guitar capo. So that isn't so great. You really have no need for a guitar capo. Unfortunately, it's going to stick off the end of your ukulele. There are some other rather inexpensive good capos. Check out Flight's new capos, really affordable, made out of aluminum. They're very nice. So I'm just going to put these down on the side here. You get a guitar strap. I wish this strap would be thinner. It's not really a full, like a full out guitar strap, but I still like to see like a 1-inch strap rather than whatever this is. I think it's a 1.5. You get a set of Achilles sort of strings, white sort of strings. Those are great. I use those for my 3D printed ukuleles. You get a booklet of how to play ukulele. And I really haven't spent much time in these. Someday I'll have to do some reviews there. But a lot of times we're also dealing with translation challenges and so forth. You don't want to pick on somebody because the translation isn't great, but it's just interesting to see what people have to say. And then a couple of plastic picks. Let's see, they seem to be about the same thickness. Again, there's been some discussion lately about picks. I still sort of hold on to the idea that on ukulele you generally want to use felt or perhaps rubber or leather. I prefer the leather picks. They last for a long time. They have more of a finger-like tone. Plastic picks, I know some professionals use them, but in general, they can scratch up and ruin your ukulele. A lot of guitars do have a pick guard that will help it save from the damage. Most ukuleles don't. Again, I know that's a touchy issue for some people, but I just recommend people generally stay towards felt or leather, and I'd love to see that included with this. All right, so let's get to the start of the show. A little light gig bag. It's not just the dust cover. For example, my Flight TUSL 35, my latest one, the Kids, has a light cover, and that's all it needs because it's an ABS ukulele with a lindenwood top, and it just needs a dust cover really to help you carry things around. This is a little more substantial than that. There's a little more padding in there, maybe 3 to 5 millimeters of padding. So I mean, it's not super padded, but it's a tiny laminate soprano. Has a little front pocket that you can carry most of that stuff in, such as your tuner and your extra strings or whatever. So nothing in there like that. You get the Vangoa sort of bass clef without the dot logo. We could talk about the appropriateness of that sometime with a treble instrument, but not looking to cause any problems. Just it's a treble clef instrument, right? Let's see. So we've got our instrument, rubber band around the top like usual, in a foam holder. We take it down. You get your Vangoa logo. You get the fretboard, which looks to be made out of rosewood. Sharp fret ends, just like the concert. And then the rest of it, sort of an ornate design around the sound hole. That could definitely be smaller. Right off the bat, I can say that. The bridge seems really low. I'll have to check some other sopranos when I do my full review, but that bridge seems awfully low on the body. You've got nice binding on the top and bottom. You get a strap button there and a strap button there since you get a strap button. You get some chrome geared tuners, closed geared tuners, which turn all pretty standardly the same. No looseness there. Let's see if I can tune it up here real quick and give you a quick listen to it. Yeah, the fret ends are not super sharp, but they're sharp, and they're going to get worse in my house where the humidity here is less than 30% indoors right now, dealing with well under zero weather at the moment. Here's how it sounds so far. All right, so that is our first look at it. There'll be a full review of this one coming up in the near future. I'll probably be dealing with these sharp fret ends. Also notice it does have its side position markers. You know, sort of has that open pore satin finish. I mean, it's really quite amazing what you can get for $32 on a sale. So, oh, and of course there is some purfling there in addition to the binding. All right. Thanks so much for joining me for this unboxing. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.